What's up, JL fam? Today we are making Salisbury steak from scratch. I had some hamburger meat that I wanted to go ahead and cook, and we're just gonna get into it. So this really calls for 2 eggs and a little bit more breadcrumbs than I added, but I didn't, but it still turned out good. So far I added eggs, Worcestershire, don't laugh, and milk. Maybe that's a teaspoon or a tablespoon. No, I don't think it's a tablespoon. It's probably a teaspoon of salt because I don't really use salt. Some minced onions, some black pepper, and some breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna stir this up, and make sure you stir it all the way up. And I'm also gonna add in some chives to this mixture. Baby, tell the people hi.
Hi, people, hi.
Jasmine said hi, guys. So I put in some chives and some fine onion powder and just a tad bit of garlic because I didn't want it too garlicky. And just make sure you stir it up really, really good so everything can be blended in well. Now I'm gonna put in the hamburger meat and get this poppin'. See, this is why I say you need 2 eggs instead of 1, because I put 2 pounds. I didn't think about it until like after I was already cooking. I was like, oh my God, I should have put in 2. Oh well. So make sure you guys put in 2 eggs if you make 2 pounds. Just 1 egg if it's 1 pound. And add more breadcrumbs if it's 2 pounds too. So yeah, make sure you incorporate all of that. I didn't use a spoon because you need to use your hands. Make sure that stuff get mixed in. Don't nobody want no missing seasonings in their meat. Now we're getting ready to butter the pan. I'm gonna wash my hands first because ew, gross. Putting some butter in there, stirring it up so it can be evenly spread in the pan. And I don't have a raw onion, so I just put some more minced onion, and I put a lot because you really can't taste it unless you put it a lot in there. So, but I'm putting some of that in there. And I thought I was recording when I was rolling these patties up, but I guess I didn't, so I only got to the last one, but I guess that helped out anyways. As long as you got to see something, right? I was so mad though. I had a like slick attitude because I forgot to record all that. Now I'm just gonna lightly put some black pepper on top just because I want it to be in there since I didn't put a lot in the mixture. And then just flip them over. They're only gonna cook like 2 minutes on each side because they're gonna cook in the gravy. Now we're gonna make the gravy, and I'm not emptying that out. I want all that flavor. That's just milk. That's the rest of the milk that I didn't use from earlier. And also cut down your eye because you don't want your milk to burn. As you can see, look at that. Starting to slow back down now. So I have this sauce packet that I've been wanting to try. It's just beef flavor. It has like some seasonings that I saw. I forgot what's the seasonings, but it's by Lipton. But it's really, really good. Make sure you stir it up. And the other thing that I just put in there was some gravy. And putting the patties back in there now. So right here, I realized that it's a little too thick. So I'm gonna add some milk in it to loosen it back up because I didn't want it too thick. And then just pushing that around to incorporate the milk all over the gravy. And it should be watery now. And it's gonna thicken back up, so don't worry. Alright guys, so this part of the video, I am going to talk in live. Now, look at that. They look like little meatballs. But those are done. And then I made some mashed potatoes. I didn't want to record that. It's just about the meat. And then I have some bag of corn in the microwave, the steamable bag. And when I plate it, I will do a little video of that, and then we're done. So good. All right, so the food is done, and voila! I'm just kidding. Okay, so Chad is getting to go to work, so he gets to eat. So I'm at work, so we're gonna take these. And come on, get in there. Probably give him like 3. Put some sauce in there. Yes. Guys, it smells so freaking good. They look like little meatballs. Why they shrink? Let's cover that back up with some seasonings, some gravy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. All right. Let me show you guys. Yes. So I'm gonna use the same spoon since the meat is cooked all the way. That's gonna go right here. Betty, you want some gravy on your mashed potatoes? Okay. Move this over. Put some right there. And then that's for the gravy, guys. Ooh. Yeah. And then I made some good old cold. Okay, let me. Okay. Get that corn out of there. Alright. And that's dinner. Let's get a close up. Yes. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also tell me what you want me to cook next, or what do you want us to do next. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the JL fam. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed just being here with us. So you guys, that is it for today. I am about to go eat some food and go do my exercises. And oh, I'm also doing some Q&As later on. So if you have a question that you want me to answer, it's just gonna be me today. Chaz is at work, so if you have a question, put it down below or go to our IG channel. It is right here and I'll answer it for you. All right, guys. Peace.